Hello everybody, welcome to Road to Manhood. Today we're going to be installing a Prinsu rack on my buddy's 2021 front. That's going to be in the video for sure. 2021 Nissan Frontier. This is going to be a little bit interesting because there's no pre-drilled holes in there. So Robert is going to come in clutch with the masterminds. We'll give you all the details. Let's go. Here's a little before video before we install the Prinsu rack system. Mind you, I normally do product details, but I have a whole video going over that when I did my install for my 2021 TRD Off-Road Tacoma. If you guys want to check those details out, feel free to click the link above, but I will be giving you some interesting tidbits on this specific installation. We always try to find a reason to barbecue and hang out, and this seemed like an absolute perfect one. This project is quite exciting because Jeremy's been wanting to do this for some time. So what is a big deal? One of the things that I noticed is that Prinsu's actually gotten a little more efficient and making this a little more plug and play by making everything labeled and easy to read. Besides that little black bracket, we had no idea what the hell that's for. Also, because there's no pre-drilled holes, they offer or they provide anchors to make sure that it's secure on the roof, which is actually a really great feature. With a 40-inch light bar cutout, he actually ordered extra light bar brackets, which makes it extra convenient. He also ordered the actually noise reduction strip that came with a little extra feature like this that mine didn't come with. So you know what, man, this is what I think about that. The reality is that this is actually a fairly simple installation. We are doing it a little bit different, so I'm going to include the PDF and the video link on how to install this directly from Prinsu rack itself. Before any sort of drilling, we went ahead and assembled the roof rack itself, avoiding the roof mounts. As you're installing your rails, make sure that the side that's facing up is going to be the one with the open rail tracks. That's definitely part of the convenience. This being a direct example of that convenience, and to be honest with you, this was actually the first thing to do in the instructions, is to install that windbreaker. We didn't do that, but it all worked out. And after a quick check on the grub-a-dub, we went ahead and started working on drilling the holes. There are exact measurements on the PDF and videos, but Robert is a master at his craft and been doing this since he was a baby little fetus. So he knows exactly how to measure this up and where it goes, and after we aligned it perfectly, he went ahead and started making his marks for the holes. Would not recommend to do this. He's not being lazy. He knows exactly what he's doing, and it worked out perfectly. So if you've never done this before, make the measurements. And because it's metal, not exactly the easiest thing to drill through, they went ahead and started small to reach the desired 3/8 size, from 3/16 and then to 1/4, and then finally 3/8, the desired hole size. After supplying the clear silicone for waterproofing, they went ahead and installed the anchor, also securing it for the drill to come, or screws to come, right? Took a break to grub because food was ready, and it was perfect because duh, I was the one barbecuing, to finalize the installation of this rack, and the rest was just a matter of screwing it in and tying it up. Now in regards to the reveal, we were kind of just hanging out through this entire process. Can take about 2 hours, took us a little longer, so it got dark on us. We decided to take advantage of the 4th of July and give it the reveal it deserves. Check it out. Damn! That was sick.
everybody? This is Jeremy, owner of the 21 Frontier. We just installed the Prinsu roof rack for it, and honestly it was easy. I didn't have the pre-drilled holes already in there, so once we made those, and it was a little nerve-wracking because you're drilling into your roof and you can only do it once. So but we lined it up, got it on there, and install was super simple after that. So if you have a Nissan Frontier, definitely recommend getting one. It's light. It only took 2 of us to even put it on there after it was all put together. I got my traction boards on there, double beam, double row roof light, and I'm also going to be putting my Volt gun case up there. So I'll use that for storage for the guns and for clothes out on the trails.
And there you have it, folks. If you're interested in seeing the full 4th of July trail, that video should already be up or be up soon. Feel free to follow us on Instagram at Road to Manhood SA. And also, if you want to save some dollar bills, go to Last Fit for all your light upgrades in your mats and save 15% off by using my promo code. If you like this content, if this was helpful, hit that like button. But if it was extremely helpful, hit that thanks button. And any funds that you apply to this channel will be directly sent back to you in content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be a part of the Road to Manhood community.